Spoke, but I was not home. The night came around and it took you back, but I was not home. Somewhere I could be, somewhere I can take you now. You'll be alone when those lights go out. Everybody will. You'll be afraid when the milk is spilled. Everybody will. Something I can say, something I can tell you now. Something I can say, oh, something I can tell you now.
Welcome, and thank you for coming out tonight. Besides having a fabulous evening, you are supporting the Homer Foundation. And I want to thank Colleen Harmon for hosting not one, not two, but 3 events this summer, all of them benefiting the community foundation that serves the Lower Kenai Peninsula.
Well, folks, I get to end with one of my favorite artists. You heard him a little earlier, but we're going to end out with a little Superstitious.